Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars again. Today we've got this 2012 62 registered Audi A3 Sportback. This one is a 2 litre TDI 170 bhp S-Line model. It's the S-Tronic automatic with the 6-speed DSG, 66,000 miles, 2 owners, bags of service history, recent cam belt, DSG just serviced, and absolutely immaculate. Really nice car, excellent condition. It rides on the 18-inch segment alloys. It's got 4 very recent Goodyear Eagle F1 tyres. It's got the privacy glass, as you can see. It's stunning. You will be hard pushed to find a cleaner one than this. Absolutely lovely. It is a facelift model, as you can see. Your twin exhaust there, which you get on the 170s only. Look how clean it is. Straight as anything, this car. One of, if not the best A3s I've driven. Unbelievably smooth. Inside is excellent. We'll begin by showing you in the boot. As you can see there. Got your spare wheel kit, inflator and locking wheel key all under there. Inside, it's got the alabaster white and black leather. I think that's the name anyway, I could be wrong. But it's the exclusive leather with the contrasting stitching. It's got your Isofix as well. Rear electric windows. Same in the front. Exceptionally clean. Very well presented. With the armrest and the 3-spoke steering wheel. The contrasting stitching also follows into the steering wheel and the gear shift lever. And as we can see, the mileage is actually 64,939, not the 66 that I quoted earlier. I'll just start the car so you can see there's no warnings. So as you see there, wheel lights illuminate and go out as they should. No funny noises, no trouble starting, etc. We've got your paddle shift, the Audi concert stereo, your start stop, your dual climate control and your front heated seat controllers. Auxiliary input in the centre, just there, look. Again, the armrest. Handbooks here in the glove box. And that's about it. Lovely, lovely car. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.